CBSE Class 10 Preparation Tips for Social Science. 7 tips you need to score 95 plus marks. Social science is one of the major subjects in CBSE Class 10 curriculum alongside mathematics and science. In this article, students can check tips to prepare for the CBSE Class 10 Social Science exam in order to score 95 plus marks. Social science is a major part of the Class 10 CBSE curriculum. Very scoring subject. It comprises 4 important aspects of the society that we live in. A. History, Geography, Political Science and Economics. Each of these divisions carry equal weightage and are designed carefully for the holistic development of young minds of students. Students can easily learn and enjoy the subject with the right approach. In fact, candidates expecting to score well can also easily do so with the right strategy and study plan. Students can easily score 95 plus marks. Below, we have provided 7 tips to help you score 95 plus marks in CBSE Class 10 Social Science Board Exam 2025. How to score well in Class 10 CBSE Social Science Board Exam 2025? First, let us check the course structure of the paper. No units marks. 1 India and the Contemporary World to 20. 2 Contemporary India to 20. 3 Democratic Politics to 20. 4 Understanding Economic Development 20. There are, basically, 2 aspects to scoring well in CBSE Class 10 Social Science Board Exam 2025. Theoretical knowledge, map work. Keeping these in mind, let us check the CBSE Class 10 Social Science paper pattern first. CBSE Class 10 Social Science 2025 paper pattern. Knowing the question paper pattern is very important for students to get good marks in CBSE 10 Social Science Board Exam. Section number of questions, type of questions, marks per question, total weightage. A. 20 MCQs 1 20. B. 4 very short answer type questions 2 8. C. 5 short answer type questions 315. D. 4 long answer type questions 520. E. 3 case-based questions 412. F. 1 map-based 55. Total 80 marks. CBSE Class 10 Social Science Preparation Tips. 7 tips you need to score 95 plus marks. To help CBSE Class 10 Social Science students in scoring 95 plus marks, we are providing here the 7 best CBSE Class 10 Social Science exam preparation tips for the 2025 board exam on February 25, 2025. Tip 1. Cover CBSE Class 10 Social Science syllabus at first. Skim through CBSE Class 10 Social Science syllabus to know what is to be evaluated in the examination. Prepare yourself to cover each topic from the syllabus. Also, refer to the deleted syllabus. Without knowing the deleted syllabus, you might waste your precious time on what will not be evaluated anymore in the CBSE Class 10 Social Science exam. Tip 2. Refer to CBSE Class 10 Social Science Insert textbook. CBSE Class 10 Social Science prescribed books are 1. India and the Contemporary World 2. History, published by Insert. 2. Contemporary India 2. Geography, published by Insert. 3. Democratic Politics 2. Political Science, published by Insert. 4. Understanding Economic Development, published by Insert. CBSE Class 10 Social Science exam will be based only on the prescribed Insert textbooks given above. Therefore, students should not worry about referring to any other textbooks. Tip 3. Solve CBSE 10th Class Social Science 2025 sample question paper. In the link attached below, we have provided the CBSE Class 10 Social Science Solve Sample Question Paper for 2025 Social Science Board Exam Preparation. The sample paper published by CBSE Board provides students an idea of how the questions in CBSE Class 10 Social Science Question Paper 2025 could be like. CBSE Class 10 sample papers of 2024 to 25 are one of the most reliable resources for 2025 board exam preparation for students because this academic year, CBSE has made modifications in the syllabus and tweaked the question paper design. Upon checking the question paper, you will see that a significant portion of your question paper will consist of MCQs, assertion reason questions, case study questions. By scoring well here, you will automatically improve your overall score. Tip 4. Attempt previous year question papers. One of the best ways to sneak a peek into the upcoming Social Science Board exam question paper is to prepare for what the students have been facing in the past years. CBSE Class 10 Social Science Board Exam 2025 can be a smooth and successful endeavor if you already have an idea of what the experiences of past year candidates of CBSE Class 10 Social Science Board Exam has been. Tip 5. Map work practice. Map work is a very important part if you want to score 95+ in CBSE Class 10 Social Science Board Exam 2025. Map questions carry considerable weightage in the board exams. In addition to that, students must stay careful about the same because of the rationalization in the latest CBSE 10 Social Science Map Work and Theory syllabus. Students must understand and practice the map work syllabus properly to do it right in the examination. Tip 6. Writing practice and speed. Unlike mathematics, social science is a subject that requires the ability to clearly illustrate ideas in a limited number of words and in a fixed time duration. This can be very tricky if you have not practiced well enough. Therefore, in order to score 95+ marks in the exam, students must stick to the word limit and do not write any more than required. Talk to the point and do not beat around the bush. Practice map work to be accurate. Manage your time well to attempt all questions in time. Tip 7. Revise. CBSE Class 10 Social Science has a vast syllabus covering 4 units from history, geography, economics and political science. Students must be very thorough with their syllabus content from each chapter to be able to confidently answer the objective questions and write clear descriptive answers in the subjective sections. Therefore, we have provided the CBSE Class 10 Social Science important questions and answers from each chapter. Using these, students will easily be able to get good marks in the 2025 Social Science Board exam. Thank you for watching The Knowledge Vault YouTube channel @TKVSST.